In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete duplicate photos in Google Photos. If your Google Photos library is starting to feel cluttered, one helpful feature you can use is photo stacking. This groups similar images together, which makes it much easier to spot duplicates or nearly identical shots before deleting them. The important thing to know is that before you can remove duplicate-looking photos more easily, you first need to enable this setting called Stack Similar Photos. To get started, open Google Photos and go to your profile icon. From there, tap Photos Settings. This is where Google Photos keeps the display and organization options that affect how your library appears. Once you're in Settings, select Preferences. Inside Preferences, look for Photos View and tap on it. This section controls how your images are shown in the main photo gallery, so it's the right place for stacking options. Now, in Photos View, turn on Stack Similar Photos. When this setting is enabled, Google Photos will automatically group together pictures that look very similar. This can include duplicate images, burst shots, or photos taken moments apart. It doesn't instantly delete anything for you, but it does make cleanup much faster and more organized. After enabling that option, return to your main Photos tab. You should now be able to see similar photos grouped together into stacks. These stacks help reduce visual clutter and make it easier to review multiple versions of the same image in one place. If you've ever taken several shots of the same subject and kept them all, this feature is especially useful. Next, select a stack of similar photos and press delete. When you do this, a small pop-up will appear near the bottom of the screen letting you know that you're about to delete stacked photos. Take a second to confirm you're removing the right group, especially if some of the images are slightly different and you may want to keep one of them. A good tip here is to quickly review the photos in the stack before deleting, just to avoid removing a version you actually want. Since stacked photos are grouped for convenience, it's still a smart idea to make sure you're choosing carefully. And that's it. By turning on Stack Similar Photos and then reviewing those grouped images, you can clean up duplicate photos in Google Photos much more efficiently. It's a simple way to organize your library and free up space without scrolling endlessly through individual images.